Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. Yeah.
Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214-218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884. Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the interstate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Anuanom ne adofo ene video yi yede ba sa new law na aban ahihye on the 14th of March abeba from the 11th of April efa eku eyire empna ene wona wo ware ya wo pese wo yire no wo mpna wona wo ware omo eba ha 11th of April sana munyina munim ne sesi a wo de wo yire na wuku eba I was said which is we are Juma enya 18,600. Say you're self-employed and I say you're employed. 18,600. Name a fee 11th of April they call. I was say we are 29,000 pounds. 29,000 no. I was say a yesika when ya a year Juma for at least 6 months. Into half of 29,000 for the 6 months, you know. That's just about 14,500. And 6 months, and I was so I you mean 14,600. A feno, I was say 29,000. Now, mum say oh had that, and now Ghana, now your application. Now a tray, your decision even after 11th of April. Now a demo, I affect you. More had that no 1860 no a better was. And she share and nay was so no. I 1860 a better was. The biome the SSN said new law no I did 29,000. And can nay what it will and I will come na eba a camera and a maca one. The Odikano was winya 3,800, eka 1860. The Tosibio was in Kawinya 24. Asa 29,000 aye cover obia to what the year and I a kun and a ma mienu yensa and nine enum eba. Still, Sky was a winyano aye 29,000 a binka. I was saying, you know, I channels. Dear, you back can say, so wouldn't him say, oh, yeah, Juma, now wouldn't mean ya 29,000. Now, Opa Sao Kofa will hear it and I will come back. Ube to me, I application is to see. Now, why your documents, you know, at the account. Much as I say, once a wire application, I wait 2 application, much as a wire. Until a train, not upload documents. Because we need to say, before the 11th now. Because if you only a decision prior by the 11th, so you decision now, only use 18.6 and then only use 29. Soldier for the ano are different. Yes, soldier for the ano is slightly under 25,000. In Chomo the ano are different. I hope so we ever will be. Name more like it and follow you our YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook. Nina send a video no ba with me. Hello. Today's video is to look at the new statement of changes to the immigration rules, specifically the one that affects the minimum income requirement for spouses who will be joining their spouses after the 11th of April 2024. As you may no doubt be aware, the Secretary of State did say that they were going to increase the minimum income requirement from the current level of 18,600 to 29,000. The law has now been passed, which is now in Parliament. It will come into effect on the 11th of April, which means that those who will be making applications after the 11th of April will have to show an income level of £29,000. What has changed is that the £29,000 covers both spouses and children. So for example, currently, if you're bringing your spouse and you've got a child, in addition to the 18,600 that you have to show, you need an additional income of 3,800 for the first child and 2,400 for the second child. However, from the 11th of April, there will be no additional requirement for any child. That is crucial for many people. We should also note that the income level for HM Armed Forces is lower. It's just under £25,000 for people under HM Armed Forces. However, there are transitional arrangements to protect those who are already here. So those who are already in the UK as spouses will not be affected by this new law. They will continue to rely on the 18.6. Those who have also made applications as spouses, either as fiancés, unmarried partners or partners, will not be affected if the application is subsequently successful. Therefore, those that this mainly affect are people who make applications after the 11th of April. Those are the people that this will affect. These are the practical things that you can do. If you're
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team
to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884.
And Shannon so emame na kai hunu say scripture me de brɛ no Jeremiah 31 verse number 3. Na onyame sɛ menka nkyerɛ wo sɛ babi a wo ne tibi a wotim na nea ɛkɔso bia no ɔbɛ appear because ɔyɛ wɔdɔ ɛna wɔde twe wo ewura mu enti ɔdɔ ɔbɛ appear ama nneɛma ayɛ kama afi kai na Shannon so sɛ lawyer atena ase die ɛnɛ yɛbɛ piapia nneɛma no ne yɛ ne ntɛntɛm because and no do pepepe or software I was me pie free fiduem ha na me kohwe enioma nkaya aka ohwa time na 24 minutes past 9 enti ye to America na ye de update abrew na ma bie phone lines no na lawyer atwa so afiri ho lawyer Charles me pa chew me ma achi ema wakwa aba eba dwumadi so
yeah prophet pa cha pomo
lawyer me pa chew timinka
me pa cha me te nkan pa cha won so e wo timinka
nyame adom mete won ka papa me so me ho ye
good
ai na bibia boko
nyame adom pa o da che yen na so pa cha won so e ebusuan ni na
wo nyame ashira me papa unyame ashira me na anopai sania medical bo atiefuo enkaye no mama o mate ase se yawoda anopa de BWF Solicitors legal education ye de besom yamanfo Ghana community ni free eninti anopai lawyer wadaworoma fa yetum na yenko
yo etiefo na ahwefo ende enso ye da obi biara asese wenya mbre se ye besua ade na ewo ho ende no ye be go straight into it updating the debia ye de bremo enti ne ewo ho no ne ye be kan ho asam so update ni bia enti ne no extended update enti ne ye bi di ho komo no changes aba we the best started from 11th of April 2024. Now yenim say application akofa wo yere ukunu wo mma efi amanoni aba mpo se wo mu a mrane say wunya 18,600 na nkwala omwo mu omunya British nkwala no so won so won de na akoba ne sa afi de enye 18,600 bio na mbom 29,000 from 11th of April 2024. Tina ye kaka ye ho na ye boy ye ho kokko se sa na etie dia and ye fa application into acha 10th of April wudi tumu a ho son wudi tumu a ho son wudi tumu wi a na afi de we buku appointment no later na wagada wo document no na wa submit na wakobo wo nsa no nti wutumi de tum by 10th of April there and the as I say we show 18,600 na ewo ho mpempre no yes idea as I say we extra job and now say we show other sources of income are credible now we prove 29,000 no na senior yenim no ye bisa ye ho say enti se me be yesa application a den na mehia sika no titiro enti ye hwe changes eba yi a titiro na eba 14th of March 2024 na eba January na ne keka ho nyina no nyina point to one direction na ekwa ne se o be ye application a akofa ukunu wo yere wo ma eka ho at the same time abade a and as I say we kire say 29,000 from 11th of April. Just as say new emra no ho komo na ye dinti. I will make reference to 29,000 no. Na sa wo pesa wa avoid 29,000 there and the efi ende ekosi 10th of April. What do application to mu a we okay and no affect you. Na so wo mu dada se bia wa ba 2.5 wo da bem 18,600 na emre ya sesa afi na wo be renew and so be renew after April and no so emra na si dey bi se wa ba under 18,600 now be renewed there 29 no affect you empo afi na wo be application under 5-year route no ewo krom ha na wuditum by 10th of April nso a affect you muma yenhye eno nso enso nsesen a aba ye nije ewo won a wo krom ha no ne se obi o ma owa ha say was it last week na client bi some say na lawyer sisi ai papa no akọ pension me so me pay no so me ba penin no so ode nkwala mienu penin no so sisi a waboro 18 oye adwuma nkakra de ma wo university nti e be ne den na ye prove sika no na me so we be prove e be ye na se mo wo mu dada no ntu e be ye 18,600 plus nkwala mienu no akwala odi kan ye 38 na ne oto aso no ye 24 na ese santi na mo be ye ne se papa ne de even though or pension no oye 2/4 nkakra bi ye de be kan ho nso wo de no wo de be kan ho na akwala penin no a we di 18 years abro no ono so na djuma no emra ne se yetumi de kan ho ma ne yeyie na wetumi emiti 18,600 no ane nkwala ne de no nti na ye kire se eye ni jesem pa because kane no na akwala de no ye mfa nka ho pasisi ade emra ne se akwala ne de no yetumi de kan ho ma ne yeyie provided say akwala no eguso depend on omame akwala na di 18 years abro akwala no eye adwuma yetumi de ne de no eka ho ma ne yeye to prove the 18,600 and ono akwala no so no so be ye ne de eka ho a 3,800 akwala foforo so ka ho a 2,400 senia emra no eti no na foforo a ye di ho nkomo no eno senia ye nim no emra ebe started from 11th of April I see 29,000 na 29,000 obeyden in the way prove na I see start 29,000 no it say if you were jumum into we pay slips and then bank statement senior ye nim no and employer letter a confirm it adentin na ye pay slip na ye bank statement bibi ntia your friend bibi corroborative evidence so with the pay slip nko aba ebetumi akoye say kana na bi akoso na wa akoye pay slip na wo de aba so with the bank statement so nko anso ba enso e possible say kana na bi akoso wo nkrofo no omo bank ho no na wetumi the bank statement aba nti you need the employer and the bank to say yes the money is correct so you need pay slips and you need bank statement and I'm offering corroborative evidence nti saa mieni mo mention so wuhia employer letter nso to confirm say saa 29,000 sika na wo si wunya no enso eyesara enetie na say yedwuma one dwuma wo di eno ho sika na ebeba 29 plus na say eyedwuma mienu nso a wo beka ni nyina bom ye hiare say wenya 29,000 from those sources of employment no so we are self-employed in swear and then there are two aspects. Your self-employment income. Ewo self-assessment tax returns no we file no after every tax year no. Until at the end of the tax year no senior yenim no it runs from the 6th of April of the current year to the 5th of April of the following year. Ntitisi ano yakọ beyond April. Oh sorry, yakọ beyond the last year. We are yet to get to April. Let's just say you're starting new tax year. We are still within the current tax year. Ntine ye hwemu a you were 2024 there. That means 2023, 2024 tax year. Next year tax year no will start from 6th of April. So that will be 2024, 2025. But so we are self-employed that untumi enka 2024 2025 ho asem so be kan 2023 2024 then first we hia sa ade no na wo de akoye immigration application As I say, we prove say we file tax returns for 2023, 2024. And no na aban be share na wa ma wo tax bill. And your friend no form SA 302. Form SA 302. The form SA 302 is nothing but your tax bill based on the profit we declare so we are self-employed. No. Maka bibi profit. Manka say sika unya ye. Me say profit eba so mfa so eba ne awo ye no so. Na kira say we are self-employed as I say we share ade bi enso. Sika unya no every day, ukaka boma every month, ukaka boma every quarter, ukaka boma every half year, ukaka boma every year. And no na at the end of the tax year no, bebre no by 31st no ma getting ready. So latest by 6th of April no, you put all together. Now they are more accountant. So when you're accountant, you can do it yourself, provided you have the competence and skill to do it. And the ukaka ni na boma no your friend no turnover or income from a juma ade a wo ye no, income for the business. And no ubaka kire tax man say afimu ni nyina no ejuma me ye nyina no nkofo mutuatu ameka no sika omode ma me ni nyina example 40,000. Na one my tax man aya we say say one na we ye we ejuma ni nti utua bills and say expenses. So expenses no tax man say it has to be wholly and exclusive to ejuma na awo ye no. Nti provider say a link to ejuma na awo ye no ubetumi atie fi sa 40,000 mu. Na ebeka no na ubetua ho tax ama tax man. Nti profit we dey amama yen show. Wo na wo ye ejuma, wo na wo control. Wo control the expenses no, wo na wonim. Sika nkrofo de ma wo ne de of course, omo de ma wo nti receipt na de no e cover. Nti wuntumi enye ho hwe because omo de ma wo. But expenses ne de provider say ye wholly and exclusive nti. Nipa no ba say expenses we nyina ye whole and exclusive. Nti me kan ni nyina abom no 39,000. Who evidence ni invoices ni receipt from payment ni ade ni nyina me kan abom 39,000. Nti what 39,000 if 40,000 mo aka 1,000 pounds. Eno ho na obetua tax ama aban. Na sa 1,000 pounds fi so we are self-employed sole trader. We registered company and I say limited liability company. You as an individual sole trader no, ye be sure say wo personal allowance no and so ya tie fim and san with your tax. Nti wo personal allowance of 12,570 for the current tax year and as a tax year ye dey be we year. Let's just say 1,000 kra no aban de woka. Kwa allowance no wentumi ndi ni nyina dey enwie for the year. Nti na just say tax a wo betua no e zero. Enti hare na ukọ fikesinfo a wo say yo ya chaase send aban na waka say wutumi mitigate with tax bill with your expenses. Santi when your tax. So when your tax because we profit na your 1,000 there and there's 1,000 no and na you be fa say we income for immigration purposes. Let's just say endu Prophet am say when mute.
Yeah, me pacho jina homa me 1 minute wabo bibi so. Na ye mbue amanfo adwene mu ho because bebre no eye self-employed na esia ni say tax no office me ye no was zero enti ebia home office be ka say o akwayi kura wo make profit bia enti nkrata no yemfa no ntu baabi enti me pacho chirichiri mu kakra say eye zero say profit aba say menya medie say menya medie no it doesn't matter.
Yo prophet na woman say ye were tax man nko. Ye were tax affairs and immigration affairs. Omo ye nyoma mienu.
Okay.
But you see bibi enti na ye de nice ahwemu a ye ja ye nan esunsum ewo ho. Nti we step mu you can see say we ja footprint. Now immigration you have to meet the immigration rules. Tax you have to meet the tax rules. If you meet the tax rule, it is called tax avoidance, legitimate avoidance. Nti aban kwa tax avoidance schemes. Who meet here, uncha tax biya. But tax evasion are wrong. So you're chua edubetum under the Finance Act. But near can say tax profit now utia ho tax no and no na wode bokwa akwatre aban for immigration purposes. And yes sika mu na ba winsem no ubetua ho udi bitutua wa expenses no. Enti wo na wo be ye wadwen say unim bibi. Me pese me tia me tax less and I say me pese me meeting immigration requirements. So your tax now will focus on there, provided the expenses are acceptable, you pay no tax or less tax. That's tax mitigation mechanisms. But immigration now open there, and the expenses need an answer will claim you back because a bit eating into your profit. Eating into your profit, then about affecting 29,000. Now you can have some from 11th of April. No?
Good. Afe ye uraho. Enti se me taxes no me tria na se me ko presente me documents no home office na ekire se me nya bibia ewo akire so by the end of the year no at least me nya so and so amount of money ebe affect me immigration issues. Yes sir.
Say so and so amount of yen can say infasuo.
Yeah.
Infasuo no abania ejuma na wo ye no ho no eno ho na wuche tax. Some infasuo no na wo de be ye immigration application.
All right.
Nti say we nya infasuo de a wunche tax ba wuntumi mfa nkwaji nkrata the same infasuo na isu ano. Nti infasuo no should be 29,000 from 11th of April.
Lawyer, you see, nienti amabisa sa question no kire say obi tifie waye na adwini so say tax no mikotua na metiti bibia free mu na at least ebeda zero kra metimi dia kwaje nkrata dabi hye no nso e was say we meet 29,000 was so meet in this also meet 29,000 e dia ene enkoye lawyer etomre bia na ya program ya adwini so ma men squeeze ade na menya profit ne ne say no dia ne amebe wa kwakire o mo na no ano no enitina mama o team no afa ma men fa lawyer number ema o wa ha because tieni ye pa ene lawyer be bua ade bi eni so akire me ansa na ye be close kura no maybe san question bi ama o say o pese woni lawyer Charles edi nkomo okoko hunu no putupru bibi ato bibi asi o pese me frɛ lawyer Charles ana me pa chon which me frɛ no 07947636037 meti mama why anopa me no team mom 07947636037 07994763637 na wabawura lawyer Charles akachi lawyer fire kwani
You prophet I'm say the prophet baba enche bebre nti me pem so na maposo ba na ewo metiefo na ahwefo ne say se na ye kire mu no bebre no would want to have their cake and eat it at the same time.
Yeah.
As say wo choose baako. Nti say wo kwa tax there you are eating your cake. Wo kwa immigration you are having your cake and the cake you cannot use the same cake. Nti say wo say the same cake na wo dey kwa immigration for what there and the tax no wo betua. It's a simple calculation. So what about many more? Now we say, lawyer, me per se, me self-employed. Like I said, that's fine. Is it limited liability company and that's a sole proprietorship? So why would you? Sole proprietorship for no yama UTR, unique tax reference number. Let us say anybody a sole trader. A bit rather say Kwesi Mensa enterprise or Kwesi Mensa whatever. We are saloonist, we are a cab driver, we are a driving instructor. Saphoning na to say prophet we say na say bia wo call asori ekwa minister na wo file wa wo taxa we are sole proprietor enti sapho no mutumi ye no sapho no mo personal allowance of 12,570 before they pay the tax. So let's do simple maths. You hear 29,000. Always tell people say ya for kakraguso Then first say 29,500. But for the purposes of ticking the box of the law, no, 29,000. We are self-employed. Into profit, no, 29,000. No matter sika winya afimu ni nyina no, mfaso no, as I say 29,000. Because we are sole proprietor and I say one man business in your own name, no, and your limited liability company. And I say we are partner of a business. And I say we are director of a company. We are director. Director for also they are regarded as filing in their own name. Into your issue form be a friend of form P11D. Into P11D no for company directors. Into sa company director no so obetumi use sa ade no. Into for say ni pay the profit no for simple ade na ye no 29,000. Onye personal allowance of 12,570. Into profit wuti fi mu a na just say as a so otua tax ewo 16,430 pounds eso. 16,430 pounds, it falls within the tax bracket of 20%, 0 to 20%. The 20%, we working on 16,000, give and take, ebamao times 2. Into times 2, ebamao 3,200 because of 430 negusu, we the say 2,300, 1,300. Into say 1,000, so 16,000, 20%, you say 3,200. Now say 17,000 because of negusu noa. You say ebemao sa bit, Now, young can say because of sanity, who shall say tax and he necessary mitia. One can say who tax necessary utia. Now one can say wait to me aya den. And who say tax say na say mitia dia and the sa tax no mitia ne deben. Metia anase mintia ye. Ko tax home office will be so. Say tax na we tia ne ewo he. Anase tax na we be tia no ewo he. And your compulsory say we tia ni nyina because mrane say we be tia with tax 9 months after the date. Until we be tia no 9 months later. No person mu hu ni say o evidence say why your self assessment wo tax bill na ade ni nyina. As I say we your accountant report inside just say so as sika na buy na ye 40,000 no eno ho ka eno nie na eno so e wo bank account mu so say wo the bank account no eba obi wa baka say na lawyer me bank no account no sinye sika ni nyina na efam yete ase ebi mu e wo run cash basis accounting so for no sika no ba so sika na omode tua enyoma na ade tinye ni nyina na ebekọ omo bank mu ba na say we ya ne say accountant report no wo tax bill no wo na ade na otumi akire mu ne nti a profit nye ni nyina anasa 40,000 no nye ni nyina na ewo wo bank account mu nti eho no muma yenhye no enso now yembra ifie ye nkrofo omo ye obi adwuma saafo no omo ni control nti 29 no ese we prove your pay slips it is say from one source and I say other sources na profit na apia mu a ye ni gie ni say or see mpempren ya no wo be your application from 11th of April ba wo be start we djuma 30th of April na ya ma wo contract ya ma wo letter no eso no ye wo salary a ye de betua no na eye 29,000 na say ebro a wo betua yusu ma na ye friend no genuine source of employment income. Now genuine say reliable. Genuine say verifiable. Na tell say wuntumi nkwaje letter mfi obi ho say oh wa fa me adwuma mu nti letter no nie etina me kwaye adwuma na say next month me kwaye adwuma nti osimesi anaso obintin afa me adwuma nti anu nie no o verify verification be no mbeye o mbe hwe say osimesi anaso obintin obetumi atua 29,000 a wo claim say obetua wo no a kwan be so no mbefa. All we need to do is to go online. Company's house. For a company we pay. And now also say tax office. For we pay. Research in your me here. Now imagine say company a woko ye adwuma mani. Wo afimu ni nyina no omunya 30,000 and I say 40,000. Now wo see ye betua wo ka 29,000. Profit eto assume.
Entasum kra.
Entasum company Eunice ka obeda na wetia wonko 29,000. There are other workers. Tini ye hwemu a it is not genuine source of income ebaba. Nti saa we na ebaba no even though nka obetumi agina aso no ade nyina ade adanse say no kware ennim. Emrane say it is up to you to prove say evidence na wode ba no credible, reliable, and it can be tested. And your home office for ejuma on a balance of probability when necessary will prove it and the responsibility na say burden no eda wo so. Say udi ni nyina ba na mo ye wonji a ehwo na obetumi ni won afi so. Nti mama ye hya no so. Eya wo necessary wo the evidence ni nyina eba. Say wo ye obi adwuma o, say wo ye wa adwuma o. But emra no so ne all can say see etumi prove say adwuma no ye reliable, credible. Na sika na wo se ye di bebetua no sa na etie de a and the sa prospective employment na wo bebenya no and say employment na wo ben wenya no afi na wo be hya ase no even though sika no maaye no betumi use letter no and say contract no e ma na yeye nti flexibility na aba no a very good news but we have to exercise this right with utmost caution. Yes sir. Ometumi kwa ka say wa forge document to beat the system and you'll be down for part 9 refusal. Penisa. Woman share one enso. Now, you will obviously other sources of income obetumi use. Nti bia wo savings. And now say or into properties, rental income, or pension pot. Saa afọ ni nyinaa no obetumi use you from non-employment income. Now, prophet, question is say nipa we wakaka ne sika nyinaa bom na enso 29,000 no a does it mean say ontumi fa na yere ne kunu anasa ne mma no emma ana mmra ne se wobetumi provided say you meet paragraph Gen 3.1 3.2 of the immigration rules. Then aoka o se se wontumi enye we nyinaa wobetumi agina bibia ye fra no exceptional circumstances so. Exceptional circumstances senya situation etie no nye se sika no kwa na esese omo hwe anse de visa na ma wukunu anasa woyere na mbom omo hwe outside the box nti nyoma ben no mbehwe to meet the exceptional circumstance me my friend no or 8 nti se we nya 29,000 a you have to give or 8 only a den only see you have to show that you have insurmountable obstacle to family life if they refuse it. Even though we get 29,000, you have all OR8 or 8. Only an insurmountable obstacle to family life. So we could not anasa we amba bibi betumi ato ewo UK or memu. So that's the insurmountable obstacle to family life. Family life is into tenancy. Internet say we give it to the case worker to make reasonable assessment and say Matthias here, even though sika ni what there, but mama woyere anase wukunu ene wo ma no omaba o nti onu yate ase I no see reasonable test. So reasonableness test and I say it will not be reasonable so me refuse application you know, because so we yes sir akwala no nkwala omu wo mu no omba han eno ho no so omutumi hwe na omugina so say sika no so 29,000 but because of the fact say it will not be reasonable to refuse the application because of the children involved in it ya de ade no ebema woyere ukunu ana ene wo mba no nti mama yensha no ehwo no so enso case law ewo ho a support Sarah enso ena yenim so say section 55 of the Borders Act no so eboa sa ekwan no eso na 8 ni say article 8 nti wodi ono ato ho insurmountable obstacle wodi reasonableness assessment no so ato ho Now, with the Article 8, Article 8 right, say right to family life. Nti wo se minisika nti se wo si meyere anase mekunu ne me ma mo bo mo aba no kwan dia, then you are infringing upon my Article 8 right. Nti ho no case worker no na ye de apem no na as say o sit back no oye assessment ni yie because ekopie court a na court no beka ne say ba wo ya ka kire say se we hu 29 na kwahwehwe all 8 uhu all no o no uhu ye ar no uhu ye na uhu Article 8 right no so ana uhu ye de a adenti na wubu weni go so na wo refuse ye and ye yen na wo draw appeal no na omonkom omonim na ye de apem ho e wo saa kwan no eso saa nso na wo ye application na wonim nya wo ye a wodi ni nyina beka ho wo application no so na wo de akoto amonim na wo abon okokọ se so man ye ne saa na mo apply discretion under the exceptional circumstance rule ni dia and there's some refuse me a say na ebeba won so omutumi tena ase na mo say ya hwe ye de bama wo because you have exceptional circumstance and you have met the check boxes na
emo lawyer ajamu edi agu form amayen yentu amerika ne yankofa poto kasa no emra yekoma Deborah abepoto aguma amayen na yedi Deborah eba no hye no nso ye baba aka 0208 133 4646 anase 0208 133 1134. Your WhatsApp line no 0777 1950 989. In the next 5 minutes, near the Jumadino Ebaye. Deborah, Habra, Nianko.
Thank you, Prophet. So today we looked at the changes to the immigration rules that are coming up, specifically the financial requirement if you're going to pick up your spouse from another country, for instance, Ghana. So as of the 11th of April, you have to be able to show 29,000. So that's the new income threshold that will be starting as of the 11th of April. So it's now currently it's 18,600. However, from the 11th of April, it will go up to £29,000. So if you want to avoid the 29,000 financial requirement, then you have between now and the 10th of April to make your application. If you are already here as somebody who came on as a spouse with 2.5 years and you are due to renew after April, then the 29,000 will not affect you. Also, if you're here and going to make an application as a partner on the 5-year route, so for instance, if you're switching from the student route to a marriage route, then if you make your application by the 10th of April, the 29,000 will not affect you. So the 29,000, now the government are saying that you can use a dependent family member who is above the age of 18 to contribute to the £29,000 threshold if you yourself do not meet that income requirement on your own accord. Also, if you have a contract, if you've been given a contract or an employment offer letter which states that you will be making 29,000, for instance, at the end of April or from the end of April when your contract starts, then this is a genuine source of employment income, which means you can use this for immigration purposes. Other forms of income that you may use for the financial requirement include, but are not limited to, savings, non-employment income, such as, for instance, rental income, pension income. So how do you prove the £29,000? Well, through either employment, self-employment, or as I've said, savings, rental income, etc. So with employment, you would show your pay slips, bank statements, employment letter for the past 6 months. Self-employment, you will show a number of things such as your self-assessment tax return, SA 302, and it's important that we take note that self-employment income is the net proceeds and not the profit that you receive. If you do not meet the £29,000 income threshold, all hope is not lost. So if you're able to show insurmountable obstacles, as stated in Gen 3.2 of the immigration rules, then you will not have to meet that £29,000. So this is my summary for today's topic. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Deborah, for the wonderful summary. We are blessed. Inti anapai yemfa asidapesi emma ye video ye Facebook afefo ye radio atiefo baby a wutie ye efribia akabe ye 2 minutes na me dwumadie no eba awieye enne de fire ojahye meto papa enti to America bra ebia nsema lawyer beka ye wo mu nsem bisa o pesa wo tibi ase bra 0208 133 4646 and that's a 0208 133 1134. Me court mark bisa lawyer ko sambako edi amount. Me bisa lawyer ko sambako edi amount. Kai hunu se emra no lawyer ma yati ase se yewura epuri mu na kire se emra foforo eba. Enti lawyer se maye ma adwene se me pese me kofa obi eba na memma emra foforo no of £29,000 no emmechimi na 18 na me pese me gina enioma ben ena se ewo se mekeka bom na metime de ban animanimu ya se na be ya metime tu America aboa me ho na me de aba
yo echefo ne ahwefo se application no wo de ba se ne ame boss no obi sa ho se me de call se me self employed and se me de call se me employee ema obi we employee ma obi a
lawyer me pa cho gina so ma me ba cho me ma wachi ema wakwa aba eba dwumadi so
me pa cho me jo too me pa cho me pete me bisa lawyer question kakraba and candia and no kan ye hu
enya hwe
me de awade ni bi na ba na ma renew at last year no na kan pese mi ja awade possible sir
menu aba me pa cho wo ma me mo wa kakra wa ha wa hu se eya nsem sei no na me pese wo be fa lawyer number na one lawyer akotena ase no makasa ase ma me kan no te ase because me ne no ye nimu se ye mfa awade e ma ha menim pa si ye mfa awade e ma ha e na wo mfa awade enko baabi e na wasa kogina wo se me de awade abanti me jai unim one awotie ya na ya man nkrofo ekwan no mo title ni amamu ti aye enti we a sensitive question the lawyer number 079 me pa cho the lawyer number se minu aba se ma me ka no wotimase mo me dawase emma na moti asem asese no na ya me bompa ya mam so nya me mam kunu pa 079 47 63 6037 6037 yeah and somebody be ho a sensitive lawyer entimi you ano ha wati me da say for lawyer na book appointment na ko hunu bye bye in somebody be ho a too sensitive yentimi ni hu nkomo wa ha me ba cho me ma wachi e ma wakwa aba
Prophet Michao
okay me jo so
me patcho me pesa mbisa lawyer say ncheche me odi che about 29,000
yeah
ba ne say woulda 10 years so na we na bia okoye indefinite leave to remain as
wo ha de da won ka ho lawyer say wo ha de da won ka ho
okay
wo ha won ka ho 29 no eye won wa afe no opese okofa ne yire eba okofa nukunu eba okofa na ma eba say lawyer sa no
dodo no asa na eka ho kakra no ye won a wo ha na afi na moba sa 5-year route ni so so we yire eju atenem foforo and the ukunu eju atenem for the first time and say foforo no sa foforo no so ebe meet ba so mo at started that there the second 2.5 no omo nye we but indefinite nkomo no eno nko yenu question no is about indefinite leave to remain indefinite leave to remain no na nkomo no enye indefinite leave to remain but of course indefinite leave to remain so eno ho criteria nso ewo eho nti yenu say we prepare say we be ya indefinite leave to remain na person who say nyoma ben a obetumi afre number no why na mama wo exclusive audience
yeah enti minua say ne lawyer kan no what you say
Me pacho Matias.
je lawyer number no odonti ena misi so ama ndey kinkan Jeremiah 31 verse number 3 odonti ena misi si lawyer number no so ama o 079 4763 6037 079 4763 6037 lawyer Charles number ena mede atoho ama no ma me fa call no ba ko mienu bi nka ho na fe yenje lawyer anum nkrato na yensori mfiri fidua mu hanko se afa na wode ofidie na to ha Rainbow Radio International yani BWF Solicitors ena ebesua ade enne ye kyerɛkyerɛfoɔ pa ne okandifo ande ode adesua adekyerɛdie yi ɛbaayɛ ɛyɛ lawyer Charles number ena mebo ma me pa chonya nto buase na teacher wo ahoma no so fa teacher number no fa lawyer number no lawyer number no is 079 47636037 me pa cho me ma wachi emo akwa ba ebadwumadi so
Abacho mejumusu yada wants you ni moduma pa mo ye na me shira mo bebre
emo
me pacho mechi back Ghana last week na ne the card no corner na koyira for indefinite akoyira e Ghana na me so betimi de yi na be roman na passport na ye Ghana de na
yo so o card eyira wo amanoni a ese se wo call computer no so kasa computer online so kwa ese wo call report so o card akwayira ewo abochire utu kwan ko abochire na o card akwayira na o mema o number bi nti number no ube yusu e de aye application for emergency travel letter and I say certificate bi sa nti omo de mawo na ubedu a na wa ba ye card replacement no.
Okay.
You only for be di nketa ho e wo computer so ida sa wo be ya ma unia no wa ha ana so no abaye no baby owo no online why on type reporting loss of my BRP abroad.
Me pacho
wasem ni nyina no
me pacho wa na family da se eja
nkanye sa unia no akaga na bye
waka bye da
nkawaka u mukwa muntu mo buase muhrisi ha mura Ghana fonso mu duebu udi kadi kwa kotu fie no ni paboni fo bi so akofa no so de ko ha wa adwene wa mafa no ye me last call awati me pa cho me ma wachi emo akwa baba dwumadi so
But me just perfect.
emo kenko
Okay. Matching the stuff for 29,000 or boss no. Now maybe it's a centi. Obi wa ano self-employed. We be rented that, but ne ba okay our British ne, but ne ba wa Ghana or Kofano. And no so obe me 29 and now ne be less.
Yo menua na ewo mu say ndan komo no ye wodi wukunu wo yere ne akwala ka ho eba anasa akwala nka ho but akwala no enko na wo ye application amano a you don't need 29,000. You don't need 29,000. And no your calculation your faso na ye di prove home office for say A minus B should be greater or equal to C. A no e ye usika winya so you self-employed or profit I buy for the tax year no. And a minus B no e ye will rent and they will cancel tax. Sasika no what we if we mu a na ebeka echi no should be more or equal to C. C no ye obi owo benefit so a one ne ba eti wo UK oje aban benefit no wo sika aka echi no should be equal to sa nipa no ne benefit sika no a week. Nti sa wo de no ambro anase anye na anya pede a na che say wo sika no enye enough to bring uba no paje wajaze.
Okay.
Nti wo ba wo ye ready a me no be ya calculation no na ya tick box no and the application atum ama wo ba no aba in 10 why
lawyer na ka me ka kire no kura say ye wisdom say nka obeba na oni wa betena ase no watimi ahunu sika wonya and watimi aye calculation no e de akire no how nka documents no betimi put it together mini asase ma me ka no de ase
ma tia papa
yeah lawyer de omo ba no mo kan say ya wuti akira obeka so we die metimi aye enso wani beba ho so no na first ye disika no kwa fe na asan ko hwe lawyer ni ameka no ade ase onyame nshira yo mo onyame nshira yeah na ansa na mema lawyer akasa kura no na me di aha eja wo kwan 8 minutes past 10 hey nema hwe am late 8 minutes past 10 enti no so mame o hwehwe BWF Solicitors your preferred community lawyers there any landing hano ye wo 4th floor and a house ye wo 4th floor and a house 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters landing N15 4NP say ya office no ye biatum free hey last year Uncle Ben birthday pa ena me call ho ena lawyer Eunice mami kenki ni chofi no osade shito egu nchen ene na nya sem ketewa me ko ho anopa ifre na book appointment na ko ho okwa wo say bishop say wa be di kenki ho na kenki ne bi ho ana okwa ne bi ho mo de be ma ebi ni ho so aka wasem na pie bra ye party ye be frɛ wo 0208 4937 340 0208 4937 340 emergency number Fred Uncle Ben 077 127 61884 not Fred lawyer Charles ni ba cho mo follow Charles no man to Fred lawyer Charles on 079 47636037 Fred lawyer Charles on 079 47636037 afi yema lawyer Charles emfa na numa semu etwa to okura emre na yempeja yemu emre aso lawyer wadawroma
yo echefo na ahwefo enanso ye de obi biara ase and then ye de bra won say immigration rules no foforo aba I change number 590 aba na ne wo mu bi ni say from 11th of April 2024 no ukofa wukunu anasa weyire a kane no 18,600 na esese wo prove no akonenim ekodu 29,000 nti mo mayenhye no nso na enwoma a yebehia a yebe prove no so mra no se eyenyan asudie se sa enwoma ni nyina no yede beko enye se omo na esese omo ehwehwe emanyen tinyan na esese yede ko nti se wo ye obi adwuma na ye kye wo ka se wo ye employee and as a worker and they will pay slip 6 months up to the date of application and no say pay slip no sika na ewo mu no as say ewo bank account mu it is 6-month bank statement for those pay slips Sarah enso na employer no a wafa we adwuma na ose ono na ma pay slip no obama wo letter to confirm say adwuma no sa na etie Sarah enso na senior ye boss no so we are self-employed no will be making sure say we tax year tax calculations no you're from form your friend no form SA 100 no wo Sarah enso na aban tax bill na or the amount no based on our profit no and also wo form SA 302 Sarah enso na accountant no prepare account no ma wo na wo gina so year tax returns no on accounts no ye ma wo no or the letter atoso a confirm say e no correct ono na oye e ma wo Sarah enso na sa sika na eba ya no bank statement no a ede adanse se sika we eba ye ene na wugina so ye wo tax no enso obehia sa bank statement no and there you need it for the whole year because enya 6 months asem the whole year matter nti sa afimu assessment no ho bank statement wo de baba nti yehwemu a nsunsuaso ewo self-employed for any employed for entem na ya che asenso say self-employed for no we use profit after expenses na employed for no we use gross income before tax no mayenhye no enso na ya mix no Sarah enso na se wo kroma ha na ukoye renewal na usika no eso ate aba 18600 ba enso a emra ne say wo ba ɔka ho a moyɛ mo application no ɔno nso ɛyɛ adwuma a wobɛtumi de ne deɛ no aka ho ɛma na yeye na mbom ɛsɛ sɛ wo prove sɛ akwalaa no waboro 18 sɛ wedi 18 ni anaasɛ waboro akwalaa no egu so ɛhyɛ wase a wo na wohwɛ no akwalaa no ɛyɛ adwuma a ɔno so wɔ ne pay slips ne bank statement ne adeɛ to support wo deɛ no a wo no to meet 18600 no ne nkwalaa ne deɛ no a ɛka ho a ɛma adeɛ no ɛkɔ ɛsoro no kwalaa deɛ no yɛnim sɛ 38 for the first one and 24 for any of the children a ɛka ho no na nea mompɛ sɛ ɛsɛ yɛte asɛ so sɛ wobɛyɛ renewal under 5-year route no a na yɛka no anasɛ increment no na affect wo sɛ wobɛyɛ renewal under 5-year route na ɛsɛ sɛ prove income no a na affect wo so old income no a no na wobɛyi so biem na mbom sɛ afi na woba 5-year no so a and the new law na ebe start 11th of April 2024 no ebe ka wo muma yɛnhyɛ ne nyina enso sɛ sika ne ni hɔ a na sɛ enso a den na wobɛtumi ayɛ mmra ne se wobɛtumi show say there is insurmountable obstacle to family life santi sɛ ɔmanfa adeɛ no amma wo yere anasɛ wo kunu a abusua no ne ngina soɔ ne ne tiri no ɛbɛkɔ fom santi omunhwe na omunkwansida sara enso na nkwala na omuwo mu no se koba se yesi yemfa amawo nti nkwala no mu nyina mu nkomu kromu a even though nkwala no ya British nkwala no se omu se omame ekonto omu ndi omame echi anase opapa echi anase yema opapa mma mu nyina mu nkwada mu kwaka opapa anase omame ho ewo oma na owo mu no emu no a then there is something we call unreasonable discretion. Unreasonable discretion say ono ohwe sika no nko a onim say akwala wo mu no ne fa hodie ne welfare no etumi ebra ase so mu refuse no etumi hwe no nso ne da ma wo say sika na nso a sara nso na ko say ye busu asem no nti article 8 every aban santi ese won hwe ono nso na omo consider say sika na nso a omo be hwe nyoma miensen ne de ama nipa no a yɛfrɛ no exceptional circumstances test. This is your application now the kotu fikesim for anymore. Sa emre na mbɛhwɛ na ɔmo de amake na ɔmo asusu sɛ yɛmfa ama nipa no anasa yɛmfa ama nipa no. Sara nso na kopie court a court bɛhwɛ ansa webua asɛm no. Yɛda ase bebree sɛ nna nso wenya emre na yɛsua adeɛ na me Israel.
Aha ana no pay yedebesi lawyer yeda wase Facebook fo yeda wase onyame inshram papa atiefo ba bia wutie yefri bia yeda wase nyame yadom a da sende odifo mene lawyer yebesa abetene mama enne hye no nso ma me se me ya sorry enti onsu betumi ahwehwe me prayer temple na kire se waba ne yakobo mpaye ne de ata lawyer de na chi na bibia ye kama wanti me nka bi ma da sende obehu mani mu ha makra bye bye.
This is our work.
Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884.